Can some turtles breathe through their butts? A. No, that's impossible. B. Only on land. C. Yes, some species can. D. It's just a myth. C. Yes, some species can. As strange as it sounds, some turtle species can absorb oxygen through a special opening called the cloaca. This ability allows turtles to take in small amounts of oxygen directly from the water. This unusual form of breathing is especially useful during winter, when turtles hibernate underwater for long periods. By slowing their metabolism and absorbing oxygen this way, they can survive without coming up for air. It's a remarkable adaptation that shows how animals evolve creative solutions to survive harsh conditions.